How to get rid of hiccups using natural remedies. Normally, when you breathe, a large muscle below your lungs relaxes and contracts to help support your lungs. When you have hiccups, however, the diaphragm muscle starts to contract on its own, causing you to jolt and breathe in rapidly. Hiccups are sometimes caused by laughter, fear, excitement, or eating too fast. In today's video, we will share with you the best 10 natural remedies to get rid of hiccups fast so that you can have some peace. Remedy 1. Peanut butter. Consume 1 tablespoon of peanut butter if you have hiccups. This is digested slowly and causes a change to your breathing and swallowing pattern. This causes your vagus nerve to adapt to the new pattern and get rid of hiccups fast. Remedy 2. Hiccup on Purpose. Try hiccuping on purpose to help reset the natural rhythm of your diaphragm. As hiccups are involuntary, hiccuping on purpose helps to jumpstart the nerves to bring your breathing pattern back to normal. Remedy 3. Drink from the opposite side of a glass. Drink a glass of water from the opposite side of the glass. You will need to lean over and tilt forward quite far to do this. This forces your abdomen muscles to contract and stops your hiccups instantly. This is personally the best remedy that I use. Remedy 4. 4-second breaths. Slowly and calmly control your breathing by breathing in to a count of 4 and repeating this as you breathe out. This helps to calm the autonomic nervous system and help to reset the diaphragm to stop it from convulsing. Remedy 5. Hot bath. If you have had a bout of hiccups all day, then try soaking in a hot bath with perhaps a few of your favorite essential oils. Calming the body down is important because hiccups do not usually occur in relaxed people. Remedy 6. Being burped. As a newborn baby, your parents will have burped you after feeding by gently patting and rubbing the top of your back. Ask a friend or family member to burp you whilst you sit up straight with your elbows pulled back. Ask them to smack your back between your shoulder blades using their palm with some force. This helps to trigger the vagus nerve and turn off your hiccups. Remedy 7. Valsalva Manoeuvre. Take a deep breath in. Hold this and keep your mouth closed and pinch your nose. Then try to breathe out whilst you are doing this. This is similar to straining whilst you are on the toilet or pushing during pregnancy. Doing this maneuver can quickly help to stop your hiccups by resetting the nerves connected to your diaphragm. Remedy 8. Cardamom Tea. Grind a few cardamom seeds using a pestle and mortar and add 1 teaspoon of this to 1.5 cups of hot water. Once it cools, strain it and slowly drink the liquid for rapid relief of hiccups. This is an ancient Indian remedy which works very well in some people. Remedy 9. Herbal smoke inhalation. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon to an old pan. Add a ghee wick and light this. Burn the mixture in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes and then gently inhale the smoke fumes. This is also an ancient Ayurvedic remedy which helps to reset your nervous system and stop hiccups naturally. Remedy 10. Chew a lemon. Chew on a fresh slice of lemon to rapidly stimulate your vagus nerve. This helps many people to stop hiccups almost instantly and is very cheap and inexpensive. As you can see, there are many natural and simple ways to get rid of hiccups by resetting the autonomic nervous system. Try out some of these remedies and see which works best for you. Please send this video to any friends or family members who get hiccups often. Short-term hiccups of less than 48 hours are very common and nothing to worry about. However, if you have hiccups persistently for over 48 hours, this may indicate an underlying illness, so you should consult with your doctor. In some cases, a small hair or a foreign object may be pressing against your eardrum, triggering long-term hiccups, or there could be some type of bowel disease, bladder infection or hepatitis. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.